nothing ever stays the same. Once you let it change. Hey, let it think, let it think. Hey, let it think, let it think, let it think.
Hello. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we will cook tuna with salted egg. This is a low-budget ULAM that you will surely love, so let's begin. Here are the only ingredients that we need. First, let's saute the onion and garlic using the oil from the canned tuna. Then, let's add the tuna. Saute it for about 30 seconds. Then add the salted egg. Stir everything for about 1 minute. Now put the chili. Then add some pepper. Continue cooking for about 2 to 3 minutes and we're done. Transfer it to your serving bowl and serve it while it's warm. This is super delicious, plus it won't hurt your wallet. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more easy cooking ideas.